it's been a long time since we are discussing about all the leaked info of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S10. We all know that it's happening and will come with significant upgrades both in terms of design and performance. Now, a new leak adds up to this story confirming our previous information about the beast. According to the certification documents issued by the Chinese CMIIT government body, Samsung will launch 3 separate versions of its upcoming Galaxy S10 handset. The model numbers listed here seems to be a logical follow-up to the model numbers of the Galaxy S9 models, and based on the details included in CMIIT reports, we can expect an entry-level S10 with 5.8-inch display, single rear-facing camera and LTE, a middle S10 with 5.8-inch display, dual rear-facing camera system and LTE, and the flagship S10 with 6.44-inch display and all-new triple camera setup. The document also reveals that the flagship S10 will be available in LTE and 5G compatible versions. There are also some reports that the Samsung Galaxy S10 will come in a bunch of new exciting color options. But with all this good news, there is also some bad news, which is all about the Note 10 and the Galaxy S11. Now, you must be thinking that it's too early to talk about those flagship grade models, but as it comes from a fairly reputable source, I have to. Ice Universe says that Samsung is considering removing the headphone jack on both of its 2019 and 2020 flagships. The reason behind this is that wireless headphones are becoming increasingly popular, and according to Strategy Analytics, the global wireless earphone market will expand by 73.9 million units by 2019 and over 100 million in 2022. That's around 42% growth in 3 to 4 years. This will also create a good market for the Samsung wireless earphones. In addition, the company could also increase battery capacity or use the leftover space for something else. But one thing is for sure, that the USB Type-C to 3.5mm dongle will be present in the retail box for the time being. So yeah, the company who always made fun of others for skipping the 3.5mm headphone jack is now going to do it. And tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.